ASN Bangers, House of Sarees. No cod. Only online booking 997-214-5452. Pure Crepe Mysore Silk Sarees. Pure Crepe Mysore Silk Saree in 3D Bentex checks pattern in Lotus border. Rich Pallu with plain blouse border as the same color. 120 GSM thickness. Silk mark certified. Price $14,995 plus shipping charges. Wash, care, dry cleaning only. How to order? Take a screenshot of the saree you like and send us on WhatsApp on 997-214-5452. We will share you the further details to book. No return, no cod. Exchange of product is damaged only if saree is returned within 3 working days. Disclaimer: saree colors may vary due to photography or your phone screen settings. Call us on 997-214-5452 for any further details. Please subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment, and book your sarees. Thanks for watching.